Okay, now we are going to format the worksheet. So we're going to change the font and increase the font. So we're going to start with this step. Click cell A1 to make cell A1 active and click the Cell Styles button. So we're going to select A1. And we are going to go to Cell Styles and point to the title cell styles and the title and headings. So we're going to go here and we want the title cell style. So we're going to select it. Then we're going to click cell A2 to make it the active cell. And we're going to click the font arrow and we want it to be Arial Narrow in the font gallery. And we're going to change the font of the worksheet subtitle to Arial Narrow. So Arial Narrow. Alright, and then we're going to click it and make this bold. And we're going to repeat steps 1 to bold A2. Alright, now we're going to increase the font size for A2 to 16. So go here and then increase the font size to 16. Alright, now we're going to go on cell A1 and click the font color arrow to display the font color gallery, and we're going to go to column 10, row 1 for green accent 6. So it would be that one. And then we're going to click on cell A2 and use the same font color, green accent 6. Alright, now we're going to select cell A1 and then drag to N1 to highlight the range to be merged and centered. So A1 all the way to N1. And go up here and merge and center. And then we're going to do the same thing for A2 all the way to N2, and we're going to merge and center. Alright, now we're going to select A3 through N3 and we're going to click the Cell Styles button, and we're going to point to the heading 1 cell style in the titles and headings area of the gallery. So let me make sure I selected, okay, the Cell Styles button, and we want heading 1 cell style. So let's look right here, and then we want heading 1. Okay, and we also want the center button so that it's centered. Okay, and I noticed I believe this should be 11. So if yours is not 11, I would I would change it back if, let me just compare this real quick. Yeah, I would leave it alone. We just may need to make our columns a little bit bigger so that we can see each month clearly. And they may want us to do that later because I did know in the image January is cut off. So it's okay if we were to just leave it alone for now. I'm sure we're coming back to that. Click the heading 1 cell style to apply the style, which we did. And format ranges A6 through N6 and A17 through N17 with the total. And I believe I skipped a step. A8 to N8. Let's do it too. You're going to do the same style as what we just did. So let's do that. Select it. Go to Cell Styles and heading 1. And then next we're going to do the A6 through N6 and A17 through N17 with the total style format. So this one, same thing for this one. We're going to do total. I keep getting lost. There it is. And then we're going to do A19 through N19 with the accent 6 cell style format. What was it again? Accent 6 cell style. Accent 6 cell style. Alright, and then we're going to format these with the 20% accent cell style. So A4 through N4. And I believe A4 through N4 and A11 through N11. A4 through A9 through N9. I'm just going to go ahead and do this one. I believe it was 20%. A9 through N9, so that would be A9 through N9. We'll do that one. See what else. A11 through N11. Let's see. Okay, and A13 through N13. And A15 through N15. Alright, and then we're going to do A5, A10, A12, and A14 and then A16 through N16 with the 40% accent 6 cell style. So, or is that what we just did? A5 through N5. Okay, so right here, and we're going to do 40. And then A10 through N10. And A12 through N12. And then A14 through N14. And A16 through N16. All right, now we're going to select the range B4 through N4, and we are going to apply the counting number format. So B4 through N4, and we're going to apply the accounting number, and then we're going to do B5 through N5, and we're going to do the, and I'm pretty sure you could just select it. Yep, the comma style format. And then we're going to do B6 through N6. So B6 through N6. I think that's what we just did. Click the accounting number format to apply the accounting number. So B5 through N5. Okay, so that should have been the comma. Let me fix that. So this should be comma. And then this should be accounting. Okay. All right, and we can make this a little bit bigger and try to zoom in so we can see it all. And then we want B9 through N9 to be the accounting style format. And then we want to do B17 through N17 to be the accounting style format. And then we're going to do B19 through N19 with the accounting style format. And then this area here, we're going to do the comma style format. Okay, and then we're going to adjust the width so that we can see every word in that column. And then you can do that to each column to make sure the numbers are shown correctly.